Hello guys, welcome back to today's video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to trim TikTok video sound. So guys, this is actually very easy. Though lately I've been looking for a way to actually do this, so I was confused until I find a way to actually do this. So I'm going to be showing you how you can do this. It's very simple. So let's get started. Now the first step to take is of course open your TikTok app and then log into your TikTok account. Then after that, click on this plus icon at the bottom of your screen to either record the video or upload from your device. So I'm going to be uploading from my device. So I'm going to choose a video. It will take few seconds to upload. Once processing is complete, then you just have to click on the sound icon at the bottom right left corner of your screen, and then you can now be able to add a sound to this video. So I'm going to click on this sound, and then I'll find this scissors icon right here to trim. Now before you can be able to add a sound and trim it, then the sound has to be longer than the length of the video you want to upload. So I'm going to click on this scissors icon to trim. So if you want to trim this, you just have to adjust this by just dragging this to any part of this sound that you want to only play. So let's assume I want to play this part. I'm just going to leave it this way, and then I'm going to click on this check mark button, and then only that part that has been selected will play on this video. So guys, this is how you can basically trim TikTok video sounds. Hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, give this video a like and equally subscribe for more videos like this. And in case if you have any question in regards to this video, please let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video.